Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com, and today we will talk about the inflammation of the pharynx in our topic of ENT. So let's begin. The topics which we will discuss in our today's lecture is the first section. We will talk about adenoids and nasopharyngitis. And we will talk about what are adenoids, what's adenoiditis, and also what's acute and chronic nasopharyngitis. And then another disease known as Thornwaldt's disease, we will talk about that, what is it and how we can treat and diagnose it. So all this in the first section about adenoids, acute and chronic nasopharyngitis, and then Thornwaldt's disease. Then in our second section, we will mainly talk about the acute pharyngitis. Acute pharyngitis, which is of the short duration and short-term onset, and the different features associated with acute pharyngitis will be discussed in our second section, how we diagnose acute pharyngitis and how it should be treated. Then in the third section, we will talk about the etiology or causes of pharyngitis, and then the causes of pharyngitis are mainly associated with different infections caused by the virus, bacteria, fungus, and then some miscellaneous causes of pharyngitis. So all that will be in the section 3 of our lecture. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about chronic pharyngitis. If the acute pharyngitis become chronic, or if there are repeated episodes of pharyngitis, how it present and how it can be diagnosed and treated, how the patient with chronic pharyngitis will present, what are the signs and symptoms associated with chronic pharyngitis. And then in the fifth and final section, we will talk about the two other types of pharyngitis besides acute and chronic type, which are the atrophic and keratosis pharyngitis. So we will discuss what are the presentations of the patient with these two types of pharyngitis, how atrophic and keratosis pharyngitis can be diagnosed and treated, and what are some clinical presentations that tells us that this is atrophic and keratosis pharyngitis. So all this about the inflammation of pharyngitis will be discussed in our today's lecture. Keep watching sqadia.com.